Have you ever wondered why avocados have gained such a reputation as a superfood? Well, from their creamy texture to their nutrient-packed content, there's no denying that avocados are a powerhouse of health benefits. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 10 health benefits of this versatile fruit. From boosting your heart health to nourishing your skin, and even aiding in weight management, avocados have a lot to offer. So stay tuned to discover the incredible health benefits this creamy fruit has to offer. Firstly, avocados are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're brimming with healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats. These fats are heart-friendly and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Avocados are also rich in potassium, even more so than bananas. Potassium is essential for heart health, blood pressure regulation, and overall cellular function. Let's not forget the fiber content. Avocados are packed with fiber, aiding in digestion and helping you feel full longer. This can be particularly beneficial for weight management. And lastly, avocados are a treasure trove of vitamins. They offer a good dose of vitamins E, K, and B6, all crucial for various bodily functions like immune response, blood clotting, and metabolism. So, by eating avocados, you're not just treating your taste buds to a creamy delight, you're also giving your body a host of essential nutrients. So, avocados pack a lot of nutritional punch in one creamy package. Now, let's delve into the specific health benefits of avocados. First up, avocados are fantastic for your heart. The rich monounsaturated fats they contain can help lower bad cholesterol levels, promoting overall heart health. Next, the fiber content in avocados can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes or anyone looking to maintain stable energy throughout the day. But there's more. Avocados are an excellent source of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to protect your eyes from age-related conditions. Moving on, avocados can be your ally in weight management. Their combination of healthy fats and fiber can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating. Lastly, for this part, let's not forget how avocados can nourish your skin. The vitamins and natural oils they contain can leave your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and glowing. But that's not all. There are more health benefits to this versatile fruit. Continuing on with the health benefits of avocados. Not only are they tasty, but they also play a significant role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber content in avocados aids in digestion, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Now let's talk about brain function. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, which are crucial for optimal brain function. They support cognitive functions, improve memory, and may even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. But that's not all. Avocados also offer a boost to your immune system. They're packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients like vitamin C, E, and K, which help strengthen your body's natural defenses. Moving on to bone health. Avocados are a good source of vitamin K, an often overlooked nutrient that is vital for bone health. Vitamin K enhances calcium absorption and reduces urinary excretion of calcium, keeping your bones strong and healthy. Lastly, let's touch on cancer prevention. Although more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that certain compounds in avocados may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. As you can see, avocados are a fantastic addition to any diet. They're not just a delicious fruit, but a nutrient-dense food that provides a host of health benefits. So, why should you eat avocados? Well, avocados are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients like potassium, vitamins E, K, and B6. They are also a rich source of antioxidants that support eye health and help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Their high fiber content aids in blood sugar regulation and promotes healthy digestion, making avocados a great choice for those managing diabetes or maintaining digestive health. And let's not forget their role in weight management, helping you feel full and satisfied. Avocados also nourish the skin with their high levels of vitamins E and C and natural oils. And the healthy fats in avocados aren't just good for your heart. They're also vital for optimal brain function. Try incorporating avocados into your diet and reap the benefits of this superfood. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button if you found this information useful.